pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
Millionaire shortbread. For this you will need 250 grams of shortbread biscuits crushed, 200 grams in total melted butter, 150 grams of a dark brown soft sugar, 397 gram tin of condensed milk, 200 grams of dark chocolate and 50 grams of white chocolate. First, pulverize the biscuits. Pulverized biscuits. Put the crushed biscuits into a bowl. Mix in 55 grams of melted butter. Transfer to an 8x8 20cm square greased tin lined with paper. Straighten it out. Make sure it gets in all the corners and press it down. Chill in the fridge for 10 minutes. Melt the remaining butter and sugar in a pan. Sugar. Once melted, add the condensed milk and bring to a rapid boil. Stirring continuously. Once boiling, cook for another minute or so until the filling has thickened. Pour the caramel over the base. Cool and then chill in the fridge until set. Grate your chocolate into a bowl. Transfer to a plastic microwavable bowl. Not a glass one, glass gets too hot. Do the same for the white chocolate. Zap for 20 seconds in the microwave. Take out and stir with a silicone spoon, not a wooden spoon. Wooden spoon has moisture, you don't want that. Now do it for another 10 seconds. Repeat that at least 4 times. After 7 goes, it's like that. Pour it on the caramel. add the white chocolate. Silly chocolate set before I was ready, so this is the best I could do. Now you put it in the fridge to set completely. It's time for the taste test. Small piece. It's not bad, but I'm only going to give it a 17 out of 20. The recipe from a tin of Carnation Condensed Milk is only that big.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting